Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to give you an assignment which is based on using methods in Java. As part of this assignment, you need to write a Java program where you need to create a method which can intake a number and print the multiplication table for the given number. If I give, let's say 3, it should print 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, and so on till 3 tens are 30, like that. Okay. So you can give any number, it should print the multiplication table for that given number. So you can now pause this video and write the Java program by yourself. After a while, you can resume this video where I am going to give the solution for this problem or program. Hoping that you have completed writing the Java program for this particular problem statement. Now you can cross check your solution with my solution that I'm going to demonstrate right away. If both match, you're good to go. You may have a different way of solving this program. That's also fine, but you should get the proper output. Okay. So without any delay, let me demonstrate this program for you. Okay. Let me give the solution for this Java program for you right now. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE, and here I'm going to create a new class. I'll just name this class as demo P. Will auto generate this main method for now. And in parallel to this main method, I'll create one more method, that is public static void, okay, print multiplication table. Like this, I'll give some random name for this method. You can give any name. And here, this particular method should receive only one number, int num, like this. Okay. Fine. Or you just want to make it simple, n you can say. Okay, that's fine. Now I have to write the logic inside this method, which can print the multiplication table of this given number. Okay. So fine. For int I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10. From 1 to 10, right? I have to multiply this number from 1 to 10. Okay, if I give 3 here, 3 ones are 3. So it should start with 1. Last number should be 10. So 3 tens are 30 should come. Okay, for example, I plus plus. I'll go inside this for loop, and here I'll write a print statement like this. System.out.println. Okay, so I'll write like this. N is a number, right? N plus. Okay, N plus. Concatenation, I'm using this plus symbol for concatenation. Here, X. X means multiplication, right? In mathematics. N into I. N into I, okay, is equal to n into I is equal to plus, here give circular brackets and say n asterisk I, n multiplied by I. This is the result. Okay, so for example, if I pass 3 here, okay, first iteration I is 1, 1 less than or equal to 10, true, go inside, n is 3, 3x 1, here current value of I is 1, 3x1 is equal to, here 3 into 1, that is 3. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Like that it should print, right? Now let me call this method print multiplication table, and whatever the number you pass. For example, I'll pass 5 here. Okay, let's see what is happening. So is it printing the multiplication table for the number 5 or not? Let's find it out. If any problem in the output, we'll correct this program later. Okay, for now, assuming that the things are going to work fine, I'm running this code. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. You see, the multiplication of this given number got printed here. You can give any number here, and the multiplication table of that particular number will get printed in the output console with this program. So hope guys you got the solution for this Java program, and you have cross-checked your code with my code, and if it is almost matching, you are good to go. If it's not matching also, and if you are getting the same output, then also you are good to go. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.